Hey guys, hope you guys are doing good. It's a real quick video. So I do have Emilio's Hondaru in the shop today. Already kind of took it apart. Pretty cool. Pretty excited to be a part of this build. I am building him a top mount manifold for an S366 that one of their subscribers sent them. So it should be a pretty cool video right now. It's got a GT35 on it, so that turbo, I mean, it's gonna be a little bit leggier, but it should be able to make quite a bit of power, and just gonna kind of document the build process on it. Hope you guys enjoy it and check it out. I got the collector almost done. I still gotta do the wastegate entry on it. I mean, it looks all right. I've done better. Yeah, this thing's not gonna focus, but it's just a T4. So the shitty thing with these T4s is it's kind of hard to get everything to fit right. But so what I do is I use an air hammer a little bit. It's still not perfectly like it, but it doesn't have overhang, which is nice. You know, you can see in there's no overhang on it. So T4 transition's pretty nice. Easiest way to do it. Got the S366 over here. Pretty decently big turbo. Pretty cool that a subscriber sent that to them. So yeah. They're obviously over here filming too, so I'm not really sure how much I'm gonna film. I might just throw a couple of editing clips in there. I might charge my GoPro and put the GoPro mount back on my helmet, because I was watching some old videos the other day of, I remember what it was, I think it was an Evo downpipe, and I had some footage of the GoPro on my head while I was welding, and it was kind of cool. So yeah, got a lot to do today. Gonna try and get it done for him today, but we shall see. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Actually, before we start, I am trying to keep manifolds in stock. These ones are the ones that I sell the most. This is a Evo 8 forward facing. Weld details great as always on them. But this is an Evo 8 forward facing. It's a 44mm V-band. All these are 44 for the wastegates. This is a precision V-banded manifold. That's a B series top mount T3, and then it's a K series sidewinder. Have those all in stock. I'll put my website down in the description if anybody's interested in the manifolds I have to offer. I will be adding an Evo 10 stock location manifold here very soon also. I was gonna wait to show you guys my website until I got like some shirts made. They'll look kind of like this, I guess. These ones aren't screen printed. The ones that I want to get them screen printed, so that way they don't ever, the logos don't ever fall off. So. But anyways, I'll put the link to my website down below in the description. Go check it out. And then now, we'll get started on this. Mr. Emilio and Mr. Kyle are back. I filmed a little bit earlier when you guys weren't here. But got the place, I got the turbo in the place that Emilio wants it. So basically, just gonna take this piece right here and another one of these and tack them like this to both flanges. To the head flange on both sides of the turbo flange, and then take the turbo off and start running some runners and see how it looks.
It's looking good already.
What you think?
It's looking good, dude. Looks sick.
Get back to work. Been lazy today. Got these two rods tacked to the head flange and the collector. Just need to take the whole turbo holder and the turbo off, and then take them off and run at least one or two runners, and put the turbo back on there, try to shut the hood, see if it fits.
I think it'll be good.
See how it's looking, dude.
Here you go.
Here you go.
It's looking good. Like, will this fit? You see it? Oh, that works too.
Doesn't hit on the hood. Be good to go for two more runners. I just gotta weld them up.
Good. See what you're custom.
What in the hell are you boys doing?
I don't know what he's doing.
Dude, you are gonna break something.
Oh, it's coming.
Looks like 1/4 inch MPT.
Yeah, just checking out what size this fitting is. So we gotta get a feed and return made for it now.
I think those returns are just hard to run on top mounts because it's a T4. I think that's why.
Damn, the thing's in there tight.
Use them muscles, boy. I see you've been drinking that protein powder, dude.
Nice. Not enough of it.
So I'm an idiot. I forgot to film that I had all the runners tacked up. You guys get to see it once I'm done welding all of them. But these are the runners. They fit pretty good. I think the turbo sits pretty good too. I imagine you do too.
Yeah, I'm happy with it.
And so he's just putting his old setup back on so that way he can drive his car, because he's still got quite a bit of stuff to make this turbo to work. They don't have like the V-band flange for it. Need to modify the downpipe and the oil feed return line. So
Yeah, Brent was just saying like how you were saying, just cut that off and put
just a normal one on it.
3-inch or 4-inch.
Yeah. So
I think he said he had one too, so we'll just grab that from him.
yeah, but yeah, so we know everything fits. So don't need his car really. So I'm gonna finish up the manifold, and then once everything else is ready, he'll be putting it on. It'll be looking all kinds of cool.
Oh yeah, get rid of this tiny turbo, don't.
Tiny turbo, dude. It's not that small.
I mean,
It's a GT35, dude. Shit, boy. Best,
it is pretty big.
you best respect your elders,
Get rid
dog.
of this log manifold.
Yeah, I mean, it's just,
Look how small that thing is.
dude. I know, but for how simple it is and how janky it looks, it's pretty effective, you know.
Yeah, it worked. I mean, we
But-
made some power on it. But
Yeah, I mean, if the flange was flat, it'd be kind of nice too, but
yeah,
yeah,
that would be nice.
must be nice.
No leaks.
If y'all ain't checked out Emilio's Instagram, it's just BoostedboizEmilio. Get you some more followers, boy. I highly doubt I'll get you any followers, but maybe. But yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna get these runners welded up. Try to get this finished for him today.
Sorry, UK.
Got all the runners welded up. I don't remember which one's hot. I think this one's not. Looking pretty good. Anyways, gonna tack that one right there. Start welding these out. Only got these 4 welds and the 4 head flange welds left. So, shouldn't be too much longer now. Home stretch now. Got all the runners welded to the collector. Just gotta do up these head flange welds. Gotta get a badge for it also, but I'm all out of badges. But I do have them over at the, not the water jet, it's the plasma place, or the laser. I get my badges lasered, and I do have like 50 of them over there. I just need to go pick them up. So it'll probably get badged tomorrow, because they're not open right now. But I just gotta weld these head flange welds, and then deck the flanges and badge it, and it'll be good to go. Pretty happy with how it came out.
The street scene. That's what people call
This dude over here making me Instagram famous, dude.
Yeah, dog, look at this thing, bro. That's that weld porn.
Got these head flanges welds all done. I like that standard finish on them.
Came out real good.
Oh yeah. Just need to badge it and deck the flanges like I said earlier, but other than that it's done. Be going on there week or so.
Next week.
Once we get back.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, dude. Well,
Appreciate it. So good.
yes sir. I'm glad I was able to be a part of it, dude. Now we just need a big ass sticker, just vinyl wrap your whole car, dude.
Yeah, just put it on the whole side.
A big MTIG sticker.
Yes sir.
The whole thing.
We need a Metigulous welding fab and a Mr. Metigulous, dude.
Yeah,
Mr. Metigulous, dude.
Might as well just take the car, dude.
Alright, I'm down.
Just have it, dude.
But yeah, anyways guys, hope you enjoy this video. As always, thanks for watching. Check my Instagram out, Metigulous. I'll put it down below. I'll put his Instagram down below. Put his Instagram down below. Everybody's.
Lucy's Instagram.
Yeah, we gotta make Lucy one too.
Yeah.
I don't know what we call her, but anyways, just shout everybody out. Check everybody out. Put the website down below also. Thanks for watching, guys.